How to request a wheelchair accessible vehicle in Waymo. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. To request a wheelchair accessible vehicle in Waymo, you can simply request them. In San Francisco and Los Angeles, you can request a HYAV in the Waymo app. In Phoenix, you can request WAV by contacting support. Drivers can assist you in entering and exiting the vehicle, securing your chair in person, driving you to your destination. They can't assist you for extended periods of time outside the vehicle. And you can click on Request WAV and request for wheelchair accessible vehicles. And you can also directly contact or call Waymo customer representative and request. This is how to request a wheelchair accessible vehicle in Waymo. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.